Here's something NASA scientists actually believe, but almost nobody is talking about. Humans may one day leave this solar system entirely, and the math suggests it is not as impossible as you think. Right now, the fastest human-made object ever launched is the Voyager 1 spacecraft. It has been traveling since 1977, and as of 2024, it sits roughly 24 billion kilometers from Earth, technically outside our solar system in interstellar space. But here is the uncomfortable truth. At that speed, reaching the nearest star, Proxima Centauri, which is 4.24 light-years away, would take approximately 73,000 years. No human civilization survives that wait. So why are serious scientists still having this conversation? Because speed is not the only solution, and this is where everything gets interesting. Researchers at institutions like NASA and the Breakthrough Starshot Initiative are already engineering laser-propelled spacecraft capable of reaching 20% the speed of light. That slashes the travel time to Proxima Centauri down to roughly 20 years. 20 years, not 73,000. But here is where the controversy starts. Even at 20% light speed, sending humans, not just tiny probes, requires solving problems that currently seem borderline impossible. Radiation exposure in interstellar space is lethal at those velocities. Fuel requirements become mathematically monstrous, and the moment something breaks, there is nobody coming to fix it. Yet scientists are not backing down. They are seriously discussing generation ships, vessels where multiple human generations would live and die during the voyage. They are exploring suspended animation, a concept that sounded like science fiction until the University of Alaska demonstrated measurable metabolic slowdown in human tissue trials in 2020. They are also exploring something called nuclear pulse propulsion, a concept so powerful and so controversial that an international treaty actually banned its testing because it involved detonating nuclear bombs in space for thrust. Here is the pattern most people miss. Every technology that makes interstellar travel possible already has its foundation built today. We are not starting from zero. We are stacking discoveries on top of each other at an accelerating rate. The James Webb Space Telescope has already confirmed that Earth-like planets exist around neighboring stars. We now know destinations are real. The only remaining question is whether human will and human ingenuity can close the distance. And here is what should genuinely shake you. The generation that builds the first interstellar ship may already be alive right now, sitting in a classroom somewhere, not yet knowing what they will eventually change. The universe is 93 billion light-years wide. We have explored an almost invisible fraction of it. What if the greatest chapter of human history has not happened yet? Follow this page right now, because if you scroll past, you will not find this kind of content again, and you will genuinely miss what comes next. Now tell me this, if you were selected for a one-way journey beyond our solar system, would you go?